A pool cue is an essential tool for any pool player, and choosing the right one can make all the difference in your game. With so many options on the market, it can be challenging to determine which pool cue is the best for you. However, there are certain cues that have earned a reputation for their high-quality construction, performance, and design, balance, and consistency. In this article, we will explore some of the best pool cues on the market, and what makes them stand out from the rest. In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best pool cue available on the market. We research web and read lots of real user review before creating the pool cue list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the pool cue mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5. KONLLEN Billiard Carbon Fiber Pool Cue. The KONLLEN Billiard Carbon Fiber Pool Cue Stick is a high-quality pool cue that features a 12.5 mm tip and a 3 8/11 joint pin. With a length of 148 cm and a weight of 19 to 20 ounces, this cue stick is perfect for professional and amateur players alike. The black technology forelimb is made from aerospace-grade pure carbon fiber composite material, making it harder than toughened glass. The mixed shaft features shock-resistant multi-density molecular foam and aerospace fiber composite tubes, ensuring a lower mass and kinetic energy transmission. The cue stick also has an exquisite cowhide grip and a weight-adjustable design. It comes with a case, making it easy to transport and store. Number 4. New P3 Model Pool Cue Stick. The new P3 Model Pool Cue Stick is a high-quality cue that boasts a black tech maple shaft and a 13/11.5 mm tip size. With a weight of 19 ounces and a length of 147 cm, this cue stick is perfect for playing 9-ball pool. The butt sleeve and forearm are both made from maple wood, giving the cue stick a classic and elegant look. The stainless steel joint ensures a sturdy connection between the two pieces of the 1/2 split cue structure. The P3 also features a weight-adjustable design and comes from the reputable brand WLFIGHTR. It's a great choice for both professional and amateur players. Number 3. PREOAIDR 3142 BK3 Series Billiard Pool Cue. The PREOAIDR 3142 BK3 Series Billiard Pool Cue is a high-quality cue stick designed for billiard lovers. Made of soft and durable silicone material, this cue stick is easy to install and remove without any tools. It is compatible with billiard cues, pool sticks, and other billiard cues, suitable for use in all types of billiard clubs. With a 13/11.8/10.8 mm tip size and a black maple shaft, this cue stick is perfect for achieving a full range of motion during your game. The 147 cm cue stick features a unilock joint, a half-split cue structure, and a beautiful maple forearm. The package includes one shaft and one butt. Number 2. YFEN Carbon Fiber Pool Cue Stick. Experience professional-grade quality with the YFEN Carbon Fiber Pool Cue Stick. Made with carbon fiber technology, this cue stick features a half-split cue structure with a stainless steel joint and a mez wavy pin with 9 teeth. It comes in a length of 58 inches with a choice of weight between 18.5 ounces to 20.5 ounces. The package includes a cue case, cue extension, pro tip, towel, 3-finger gloves, spreader bar, and sanding paper. You can also choose between tip sizes of 11.5 mm and 12.5 mm. Upgrade your billiard game with this top-of-the-line cue stick. Number 1. 2020 New Arrival Fury Pool Cue. The Fury Pool Cue AWP series is a high-quality billiard cue that will enhance your playing experience. With an American maple shaft and ocean blue tech decal, this cue stick is both stylish and durable. The linen wrap provides a comfortable grip, while the 1/2 split cue structure ensures easy transportation. The stainless steel joint adds strength and stability to the cue, while the ebony but sleeve and maple forearm give it an elegant look. This pool cue is classified as a 9-ball ball arm, making it perfect for serious players. With a weight of 19.5 ounces, it offers the perfect balance for accurate shots. In conclusion, choosing the best pool cue can make a huge difference in your game, and it's essential to consider several factors before making a purchase. Among the cues discussed, the Predator Sport 2 pool cue stands out for its excellent craftsmanship, advanced features, and high-quality materials. With a sleek design and exceptional playability, it's no surprise that the Predator Sport 2 is a favorite of professionals and amateurs alike. Whether you're looking to up your game or just enjoy a casual game of pool, the Predator Sport 2 is undoubtedly one of the best options on the market.